Hi guys, just recording this quick video, quick tutorial on how to get an extra 5 to 10 subscribers literally in the next 2 minutes. If you watch this video, you will find out how. We're just going to go over to YouTube. The reason why I'm doing this is because a lot of people want to know how I actually am getting extra subscribers, and they need to be from your niche. So as you can see, this is the homepage of YouTube, right? So on the homepage of YouTube, YouTube's changed a lot. It's got shorts, it's got longer form content. As you know, I've been figuring out the YouTube Shorts thing. If you want to know more, there's a button below. Just click it, and it'll direct you to a free training that you can have a look at. And basically, what you're going to do, you're going to go over to a channel that is in your niche. So mine is getting more subscribers. Let's see this one here. Well, they're using YouTube ads, so it's a little bit different, but it will work the same. So there's two ways. One, comment section and start conversation. So, but it's because this is an old video, it won't really work. But if it's a new video, your comment can be here, and it could even be pinned. You could say, "This person has helped me a lot in my journey. You can check my channel if you want to know more." That's one way. But the way that I truly know that works really well because of how YouTube has changed is this community tab here. So go over to the community tab, and as you can see, they are posting posts that are recent, and there's conversations going on. So what you do, head over to the comments, and usually they want to start conversations because it's a community tab. So you're going to go over here and you're going to click on, Jack actually does this, everyone clap one thing after this. I'm so hyped for this, Jack. Also, congrats on 1 million subs on your geography channel. In fact, you told me to be. So, for example, a comment like this, hats off to Jack if he actually does this, very big fan. You could say something like, I'm a very big fan too. He's helped me on my journey. This is just an example, but it will work because they're going to check out your channel. I'm a very big fan too. He's helped me on my journey, and I'm now close to 2,000 subs. Yeah, sorry about that. Close to 2,000 subs. But this isn't a good post because I saw a really good post yesterday. In fact, if I can go over to my notifications, I'll be able to find it. So and funnily enough, this was the person that I commented on. Oh, there. Thanks for this. So okay, so this is it. So she put. Oh, it was basically a thread on this channel talking about how much is your channel grown. And this person that has 78 subscribers, she actually commented on my community post. So now she's a loyal fan. So I put to her, she basically said, I gained 30 subscribers, just posted a long form video yesterday. The editing is always a part of dread. So what I did was I subscribed to her channel. So number one, subscribe to the channel. Number two, go over here and comment. So as you can see, I've got 1.83k subscribers. So as soon as they see this, the attention is on me because I've got the subscribers. But even if you have a little bit of subscribers, she's still going to see it. But can you see 3 likes? So you're going to comment something nice and like your comment straight away. And that's going to push it up in the feed. So keep going. I've been doing shorts for a month now and seeing great results. So I put that. Thanks for the encouragement, much appreciated. And then I put, check out my free content on my channel to help you get more views, hopefully. And then I put here, my channel has gained 1.1k subscribers. Some scammer put that. Oh, this is actually, this is a channel, Think Media. So I put my channel's gained 1.1k subscribers in 1 month, and yeah. So the way I found it was I found it through the homepage, but you can't see it anymore because the posts move very, very quickly. So this is it, Think Media. So that's in my niche. Go to Community tab. Once you're on Community tab, they've got a Black Friday deal. How much has your YouTube channel grown this last year? So they put that, and obviously people are commenting on it. There, I put my channel has gained 1.1k subs, and that's where conversations are gonna flow. Past 6 months have been, and I'll put something like, "That's awesome, you're doing great," and now this person is gonna subscribe. I should have put, "I've subscribed," but okay. So I subscribed to her channel. Cool. Cool, that's it. So, guys, if you have got value from this video and you realize that that this is something that you really want to learn, I am creating a full-on program on how you can scale your channel to subscribers like this, 1.83k subscribers. Guys, it is not hard to do, but there's a lot of moving parts, and there's things that I want to teach you, such as email marketing, creating little pages, how to collect leads. And this is all going to be in the program, and I'm going to teach you basically in a group setting on Zoom calls every single week. If you are interested in that, I'm going to put a link below this video, and you click that, create an account, and you will have your login membership sent to you to your email, completely secure payment method, and then you'll be able to get access to the program. There'll be a membership area, a nice membership area that you can, where I will be uploading each video every single week with audio recordings, video recordings. It's going to show every single tool you need, every single software that I use, even little things like this, which I'm tracking every single day. It helps me grow my channel. And you're going to learn about how to use this community tab, which is another bonus. So as you can see, I'm using it really well. 70 likes, 6 likes, 418 likes. So stuff like this really helps. And you can also, people really do reply back to you, because I've got my followers in the right way, which was through YouTube Shorts. And I can show you in the back end of my YouTube studio what YouTube Shorts has done to my channel. It's actually really crazy. I'm so surprised about the results, like really surprised. And you will be surprised too how great it works. So if I go into my analytics, you'll be able to see what I mean. And this is obviously not typical results, because I've been doing marketing for a while. But when you learn from someone like me, you're gonna decrease your learning curve. You're gonna decrease the amount of time you need to spend learning this stuff, because I know what's what, and I know what's working, and I know what you need to do in order to get the success that I'm getting. So can you see there, 1k subscribers from one video, 815k views. And the views just don't stop. They keep coming every single minute, every single second. That's in 1 minute, 45 views. Usually this is about 100, but it's a bit lower today. But you can see there's some hours I'm getting 6,700 views. Now it's a bit lower, but it's the morning, it'll pick up. And this is in the last 48 hours, 204k views. And this video, I'm going to show you how to find videos like this. Imagine having 10 videos at once showing you views like this. Imagine having people seeing your channel every single second, even when you're sleeping. When I'm sleeping, I'm gaining subscribers. When I wake up, I've got more subscribers. And that's a more potential client base that you can target in the future, that you can build a relationship with. This is not one of those stupid softwares that you buy and you forget. This is an actual program and a coaching thing that you can really learn from somebody like me who's done it in the past and who will continue to do this. And I will be doing this for until it stops working, which it won't stop working, because it's YouTube. YouTube has been around for a long time. So if you're interested in this, guys, make your account below. There's going to be 2 options, the 5 or the 10 week. You can also choose a smaller amount of time, then you can upgrade later. So you can choose like a 2 or 3 week. And if you really like it, you go higher than that. The reason why I'm doing this is because I want to put a course together, and that course is going to be yours for life. You're going to have it in your membership area, and we're going to grow a community of this like-minded people that can learn from each other and really work out this YouTube thing together. Because once we've got a community inside of our community, so you've got your own community set up, our community will be one community with many communities. So then we're going to create like an unstoppable force. So every single day, every single week, you'll be talking with like-minded people doing the same thing. And they'll say, I'll say this is working now, or this is not working, or this will work in the future. And we'll be sharing things together, and we'll be learning from each other. It's going to be great. I'll see you in the program. And the first training session is on Thursday. The links will be in the membership area, the Zoom links every single week that we meet, and along with all the other bonuses that are being sent, which will be, but I'll be sending bonuses every single week. That's not a problem. So yeah, if you got value from this, do sign up below, and I'll see you in the program. Cheers, guys.